Looking for the best natural hair mask recipes to give your precious hair some extra TLC? You've come to the right place. We'll help you transform your damaged hair to stronger and healthier hair. We'll also be revealing an amazing detangler you've never seen before, which removes your tangles and helps prevent damage to your hair. Let's jump right into it. First, you might wonder how often to use hair masks. Well, as we mentioned in our previous video, this depends on your goal and your hair type. If you have damaged hair, you might want to consider a hydrating mask 2 times a week. If you're more on the oily side or you have thin straight hair, it's best to stick to the recommended once a week. In either case, don't overdo it. Start slow at first and see how your hair reacts and if it can handle more. We also recommend using organic ingredients as much as possible to avoid pesticides and other bad ingredients. Before you apply any hair mask, make sure to detangle your hair so that the mask can apply easily and all over your strands. You'll love using TangleGenie. It gently detangles without worrying about breakage thanks to its unique 360-degree bristle design. TangleGenie removes the most stubborn knots and tangles in dry and wet hair, most extensions, beach hair, bedhead, and more. You'll be amazed at how quickly it leaves your hair tangle-free. Now on to the recipes. Banana, honey, egg, and olive oil hair mask to reduce hair thinning. Whether you have naturally fine hair or your strands are thinning out, this hair mask would act as a protein treatment giving you fuller hair. Bananas are packed with vitamins, potassium, amino acids, natural oils, and carbohydrates. All of these work together to strengthen your hair by locking in the moisture and hydrating your strands. Bananas also balance the pH of your scalp. That's why a banana hair mask recipe makes us go bananas. In our last video, we listed the great benefits of eggs, honey, and olive oil to your hair. Your hair is mostly made up of protein, and since eggs are rich in protein, they will increase the elasticity of your strands, leading to stronger and thicker hair. Honey will not only give your hair and scalp an extra boost of hydration, but also stop the moisture from escaping your hair. And olive oil will create a layer on your strands, protecting them from further damage. To make this protein smoothie for your hair, blend 1 peeled banana and 1 egg yolk in 1 tablespoon of honey and olive oil each, until the mixture becomes a creamy puree. Detangle your hair first and apply this to your damp hair in the shower, making sure you cover all the strands and even your scalp. Let it settle in for about 15 to 30 minutes, then rinse it with cold water and continue shampooing and conditioning as you normally would. Yogurt hair mask to counteract frizzy hair. Yogurt will work like magic in helping you get rid of that annoying frizz. The high levels of lactic acid in yogurt will moisturize your hair, putting an end to frizziness. During rinsing of this hair mask, yogurt will cleanse out the buildup of dead skin cells on the hair follicles. So this ingredient is a must to keep the frizz and flyaways away. For this recipe, mix 1 cup yogurt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to make your hair shinier along with eliminating frizz. Detangle your hair and put the mask on for about 10 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Another great thing about yogurt is that it can be combined with any kind of oil and give you the kind of results you want. If you add it with coconut oil, it will combat hair loss. Mixing it with castor oil will help promote hair growth. Combine it with honey to lock in moisture in your hair, or with an avocado to make your strands stronger and shinier. Adding it with lemon will level up your scalp's pH. The possibilities are endless depending on your desired results. We've listed the benefits of all of these ingredients in our previous video, so be sure to check it out after for more recipes and tips. Oats, almond oil, milk, honey hair mask to strengthen flat and fine hair. Energize your lifeless locks with this protein-rich hair treatment. Milk is loaded with proteins, which are the building blocks of our hair. Milk is also full of amino acids, iron, vitamin B12, and zinc. Almond oil can nourish your hair and make it softer, while oats provide it with the nutrients it needs to be strong and healthy. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the scalp. Combining all these with the moisture-locking properties of honey will surely support the structure of your hair, making it softer. To make this mask, add ½ cup oats, 2 tablespoons of almond oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey in ½ cup milk. Mix this well and apply all over your hair, making sure to cover all the strands. Let it sit for 20 to 40 minutes before rinsing. Then shampoo and condition as you would normally do. Apple cider vinegar mask to reduce an oily scalp, soften, and give shine to your hair. This one is at the very top of our favorites. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's packed with potassium and vitamins like B and C. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar requires you to dilute it with water. It is greatly beneficial for a number of hair types. For oily hair, it reduces a greasy scalp. For color-treated hair, it causes hair cuticles to close up, stopping the color from fading. For frizzy hair, it helps eliminate flyaways. It is known to purify the scalp, improving scalp health and get rid of flakiness, itchiness, and dandruff. For this, combine 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 16 tablespoons of water. Detangle your hair and spray the mixture into your hair with the help of a spray bottle. Let it settle in for 10 minutes, then rinse it, or better yet, you can leave it in and use it like a leave-in conditioner. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar will help to balance the pH of your scalp and treat any infection. The acidity also works in thickening the outer layer of your hair, resulting in smooth, shiny, silky hair, which is less likely to get tangled or break. If your hair still manages to get all tangled up, make sure to use a great detangler like TangleGenie. Start from the ends of your hair and gently work your way up. You'll love using TangleGenie to detangle your hair as part of your hair care routine. Before we continue on with using apple cider vinegar to target more hair issues, make sure you hit that like button if you've enjoyed these tips so far. When you do, YouTube will learn that you've enjoyed this video and will be more likely to share it with others. The more people who see it, the more people we can actually help with tangled hair, all thanks to you. Green tea, apple cider vinegar, and peppermint oil hair mask to combat irritated scalp. Green tea has loads of health benefits, and among them, it helps soothe your scalp. In short, green tea acts as an antioxidant, apple cider vinegar will purify your scalp, while peppermint oil has an anti-inflammatory, moisturizing properties that will help ease off the dry, irritated skin of your scalp. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 2 drops of peppermint oil into a cup of green tea. Detangle first, then rinse your hair with the mix and massage it well into your scalp. Let it settle for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing it with water. We'll be sharing more tips about the wonders of green tea for hair growth in a future video, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification to not miss any of our amazing tips to get the gorgeous hair you wish for. Slather on coconut oil for very dry hair. We've seen it in our previous video that coconut oil is a powerful natural beauty agent for your hair. If your normal conditioner is not good enough, go for an overnight deep conditioning treatment with a coconut oil hair mask. Just warm up 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to get it to a liquid state and massage it into your damp hair from mid-shaft of the strands to the ends. You can also use this instead of your conditioner, avoiding the roots while applying. Use a wide tooth comb at the very end of the application to evenly coat all the bottom strands. Make sure you let us know which hair mask did wonders for you in the comments below. Then head over to our last video for more amazing natural hair masks to get stronger, shinier, and healthier hair.